apologize for that, but in the future I will do better. Hey guys, it's a good Tasha. Today I'm gonna do the lemonade braids in a full C hair. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the lemonade braids in a full C hair today. Yes, good.
That's good.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more future videos. And the only thing that I'm using right now is some gem. That's it. I'm just using some gem to put on her scalp. But now she's just showing me the hairstyle she want to go for. She's showing me the look she want to go for, and this is what inspired us to do this hair, and I'm going to do my best to provide this service. Just putting down here right now because I like to put my section before I start. I'm just putting some grease in her hair so I can be able to grab down hair better. That's what I'm doing right now, just putting some grease. I'm using some gem in her hair so I can be able to grab down hair better. Doing some feeding braids, so I'm gonna start with small portion of hair to do the feeding braids, and as I'm going down, adding big piece into it to make the braid thicker. Small little feeding braid like that. The best way to achieve a good look is start with small piece of hair and work your way through down with bigger pieces so that hair can look good and nice. She just holding down hair right now so the hair won't pop. You know, the back of her hair is small, it's short, so she's holding to the hair, and that way it will be helping me to braid down hair better. If you do a client like that with some short hair, make sure they hold on to the hair for you for supporting. But if they're not holding the hair, you're gonna pull into their own hair and the hair will come out. I'm in the second braid right now. As you can see right now, the second braid is not very close to the second one because you don't have any hair in the part, so it's like wide apart. But I'm going closer as I'm braiding, going up. The braid gonna be closer together. the same routine again, adding more braid into it so it can be thicker. You're gonna repeat this over. You're gonna repeat this method over and over by keep adding braid to it, keep adding braid to it, so that way you can have a nice fitting braid looking good. That way you can have a good looking fitting braids. I know right now there's a big space between the braids, it's because she don't have any hair there. Soon I start doing more braids and I'm going up, the braids gonna be closer together and you guys will see the difference. How what now I'm recording only the sides is showing, because every time I turn her and put her on the back, she turn on the side. I'll just leave it like that and keep going and braiding, but next time I'll make sure she stay the direction I wanted her to go through. Once again, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell for future more videos, don't forget to check out all my social media and check my website. The link to all those things will be down below. But now I'm just adding some of the gem to our edges. The method is very easy and simple. As you get in small braid, like I said in the beginning, and you just put down hair very small, then you add in small braid going down. As you're going down, another piece until you achieve the look that you are looking for. as you guys can see, I'm in like a couple more braid up, and the braid is getting closer together, and they starting, as you guys can see, the braid are getting closer together. And as more you practice, it's gonna get better and better and better. And you guys see in the beginning how I was all over the video. Now is only her head is showing. I'm not all over the video anymore. As I'm telling you guys, when you practice and practice, and you're gonna get better and better and better. So this is my first time braiding here on YouTube. This is my first time this is my first time braiding here in front of the camera. So I was all over the camera. Now a few minutes later, I'm getting used to it, and I'm not even all over it no more. And it's good to practice every day. I am so sorry, you guys. I am apologize about that. while I was recording, the camera went off. I didn't even notice that. So I have a whole bunch of braid done. I don't even see how I did it when I was explaining stuff, and then the camera was totally off. And I am sorry for that. But in the future, I will make sure that I'm focused on watching the camera and braiding at the same time. Let me know what you guys think about. Let me know what you guys think about the style. Let me know how I did. Please let me know how I did. Leave a message for me down below in the description bar. Let me know. Stay connected with me, guys. All my beautiful beauties, stay connected with me. Check out all my social media. The link will be down below in my description bar. On my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat, everything will be down below, you guys.
That's good.
Since my camera having off on me, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the finished touch in pictures. You guys gonna see the finished touch in pictures because my camera went dead on me and I didn't even realize that. So I'm sorry for that, but you guys gonna see the finished touch in pictures. I'm gonna take a couple pictures and put it in the screen so you guys can see the finished touch, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and hit the notification bell for any more future videos. And don't forget to check out all my social media. The link will be down below. Don't forget to check my website and shop some beautiful, lovely hair with me. Thank you. Bye to my beauties.